Minestrone soup. You will need 1 onion, 2 garlic cloves, 2 stock cubes, 2 teaspoons of mixed herbs, 1 carrot, 1 celery stick, 3 cabbage leaves or half a pack of stir-fry veg, 1 tin of baked beans, 1 tin of chopped tomatoes, a squirt of tomato puree and spaghetti or noodles. Peel and chop the garlic. Cut the ends off the onions and peel. Cut in half and then dice. Cut the celery lengthways, then dice. Peel the carrots. Cut lengthways and then dice. Mix the stock cube and boiling water in a jug. Heat the oil in a pan and fry the onion and garlic. Add the celery and carrots and then add the mixed veg or cabbage. Add the herbs, add the tomato puree, add the stock, stir well, add the beans and chopped tomatoes, stir well. Season with salt to your taste. Break the noodles or pasta into small pieces and add. Leave to simmer for 20 minutes until the veg is soft. Serve with a bread roll.